dear students and listeners, let's begin our English online lesson. So, I'm Rasulova Delfuzurunbayevna, a senior teacher of the Tashkent State Agrarian University, Department of Languages. The theme of our lesson is organic farming. First of all, look at this picture and think a little. Try to describe the following picture and connect it with our new theme. I think you guess and imagine what we are going to talk about. Here is the next task for you. You should fill in this KWL table. What does it mean? It means I know, I want to know, and I learned. The first one is the information about what you know about organic farming. The second one, what you want to know about it. And the third one is what you learned during the lesson, and you should fill in this table at the end of the lesson. So, dear students, now look through the new vocabulary. The vocabulary of the new theme. Organic. What does it mean? Organic means of food or farming methods produced or involving production without the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, or other artificial chemicals. The second one is pollution. What does it mean? Pollution is the presence in or introduction into the environment of substance which has harmful to poisonous effects. The third one, wastage. Wastage, the action or process of losing or destroying something by using it carelessly or extravagantly. The fourth one, fertilizer. Fertilizer is a chemical or natural substance added to soil or land to increase its fertility. The fifth one is pesticide. What does it mean? Pesticide is a substance used for destroying insects or other organisms harmful to cultivated plants or to animals. And the sixth one is conventional. What does it mean? Conventional, based on or in accordance with what is generally done or believed. Now I will give you a task. You should make up the sentences with these new words. Let's begin reading the text Organic Farming. Organic farming is a technique which involves cultivation of plants and rearing of animals in natural ways. This process involves the use of biological materials, avoiding synthetic substances to maintain soil fertility and ecological balance, thereby minimizing pollution and wastage. In other words, organic farming is a farming method that involves growing and nurturing crops without the use of synthetic-based fertilizers and pesticides. Also, no genetically modified organisms are permitted. Organic farming, it relies on ecologically balanced agricultural principles like crop rotation, green manure, organic waste, biological pest control, mineral and rock additives. Organic farming make use of pesticides and fertilizers if they are considered natural and avoids the use of various petrochemical fertilizers and pesticides. The reasons for organic farming, what are they? How do you think? Now think a little and look at this text. Foods from organic farms are loaded with nutrients such as vitamins, enzymes, minerals, and other micronutrients compared to those from conventional farms. This is because organic farms are managed and nourished using sustainable practices. In fact, some past researchers collected and tested vegetables, fruits, and grains from both organic farms and conventional farms. Now, look at this picture. Reasons for organic farming. Now, the first one is to accrue the benefits of nutrients. The second one, stay away from GMOs. The third one is natural and better taste. The fourth one is direct support to farming, to conserve agricultural diversity, and the last one is to prevent antibiotics, drugs, and hormones in animal products. And the next task is fill in the last table of KWL. As you remember, we filled the first and the second graphs and remains the third one for the conclusion. Now you may fill it by gotten information of our lesson. For example, I know organic farming is growing safe natural products. The second, I want to know organic farming, new technology in agriculture. And you learned today and got information, and you should write what you learned during our lesson, the last table. So, dear students, your home assignment, you should write a short report about today's theme, about useful and interesting information gotten you have found out and how you can apply this information in your future profession. Write a short report. So, dear my students, listeners, our today's lesson is over. I wish you good luck in your study and of course, thank you for your attention.